Hey guys, welcome to How to Zone. You want to know how to change your Apple ID account name? Let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your settings right over here and then click on your Apple account or ID card right over here. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on personal information. It is going to go ahead and take a little bit of time to go ahead and open up. And this is where you can change your name. However, this is you changing your name only with the Apple account. However, there could be also another place you want to change your name, which I'll get into in a bit. So now click on the name icon right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and write your first name on the top and then write your last name on the bottom and click on the tick mark. Now, this does change your name on your Apple ID. What you want to do next is click on Payment and Delivery down over here. It might require your Face ID. Simply go ahead and unlock it. And now, if you see on the bottom, there's your billing address. Click on that, and there your name is not changed yet. Now, simply go ahead and click on your first name, enter your first name right over here, and enter your last name right over here. And click on Done, and that is it. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.